Okay, this is a move in, move out. Actually, this is the move out. And the management company is looking to have this house spectacular clean for the next tenant. Um, the tenant hired us to do a move out cleaning that consists not only to sweep and clean the kitchen, but also to have all the surface clean. The reason is because they need to get back the deposit. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a desk office. A lot of wide wood blinds that we need to be dusted. Wood floors in this area, tile floors, a lot of window, a lot of glasses, ceiling fans, the edges of the windows here, it needs to be clean. All the baseboards. All the baseboards, light fixtures, electrical sockets, windows in and out, ceiling fan, AC vents, doors. Door is dusty. It's not in horrible condition, however, there is a lot of dust. When it's a move out cleaning, you have to clean from top to bottom. The light fixtures, mirrors, medicine cabinets. On top of the medicine cabinet, all the shelf, all the bathroom cabinets. It's a lot of little things that we have to clean. As I said, the house, we have to clean. It's not in a horrible situation because it's not, but all the surface is dirty. The glass in this shower is in pretty good condition. It's in a decent condition. But the floors needs to be clean. Closet, a lot of papers, tags for clothes. You can see the dust right here. That's my favorite part to clean, or to check if somebody was cleaning really good. The floor looks like this. A lot of dust, a little bit of garbage, little things, hair, the baseboards. When you enter in a house, you say, oh, it's gonna be easy, you know? But it's a lot of details that we have to cover. A lot of wood blinds, big glasses here. This is the kitchen. AC van. One room that we have to clean the ceiling fan, the vents, the window, the closet, baseboards, vacuum, doors, and then we're gonna steam the carpets. little bit of garbage, another bathroom, baseboards. Baseboards are in really bad shape. Bathroom, another room. Do you see this? I don't know if you can check. You can see the dust in each blind. And this is it. We're gonna start cleaning the laundry. Juan Carlos already started in that area. All the doors, frames, baseboards, washer, and dryer. Thank you for watching. 407-572-4118, anyhousecleaning.com. Bye.